national park with all its deserts. It might scorch you during the day, but at night it just turns into this magical place. It'll just hug you. So beautiful. I didn't realize until the sunset. I didn't realize that. So what happens is the entire desert landscape turns pitch black. This is because there are no urban lights for miles. And so all you can see is this dome of stars and planets, and it's just so amazing. I was awake till 3 a.m. watching meteor showers, and it's so beautiful. You get to see stars that are so far away that you don't usually see. Amazing, amazing. Deserts are wonderful for people who are into astrophotography and sorts. I am in Louisiana now. I can feel the weather and the landscape change. Heading to New Orleans to enjoy the nightlife. National Seashore Campground. Camped here last night, and now I'm heading to Florida straight. Gonna be driving the whole day. It's 29th of August, I think. Yeah. Lost track of days for a minute. Alright. Initially, I was gonna meet my friend in Florida, but then I couldn't get fuel because everyone started stocking up on fuel and food, getting ready for the hurricane, you know, the aftermath of it. And so I couldn't get fuel to reach my friend. I had to take a U-turn and head to Georgia. That's where I got fuel. I found a place to stay in South Carolina, and that's where I am now.
I'm gonna stay here till Tuesday as planned and then leave this place. It's not gonna get here until like Thursday, I think, but we can still feel the impact. I'm gonna drive in the rain. It's fine. I'm alright as long as no tree falls on my head. Ah, lightning! Ayyo! Must I change my mind? Karole, karole, karole.